Basically, as you guys know, the only code that ever popped up was the one for the fuel sender, so the gas gauge isn't working. It's, I think, a PO463, so I went ahead and ordered that. Oil filter. And then the original diagnostic showed that the cam position sensors were bad, so these are the cam position sensors. And then I also got the crank position sensor as well, because might as well do all three of them. Needs a U-joint that has some vibration. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the radiator, because they're known for that strawberry milkshake of death, or SMOD. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. And last but not least, the catalytic converters. I ordered a brand new set. So long story short, I was gonna do all this work, but my buddy Pedro at Eurosport gave me such an incredible price that it's not worth the amount of effort I'm gonna put into to actually install that. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna take it to Pedro, and Pedro's gonna go ahead and install those components. All right, so we're back at Pedro's Eurosport Auto Tech here. This time with the Nissan. Like I said, he's gonna be doing a bunch of work for me, and as always, these guys they take good care of me. So let's go ahead, and hopefully the next time we see this thing, it'll be all sorted out.
I was like, don't buy this Chinese shit.
Yo, big shout out to Pedro, his wife over there hiding, and they just finished the truck for me. So he's gonna send me a video of the problem of when you buy parts from eBay that they tell you, although they say guaranteed fitment. George, was it guaranteed fitment? No, man. All right, he's gonna send me the video.
What's your WhatsApp? Because the video is long. So
my phone number 973.
Look at the way it is. I had to cut it so I can weld it in position, because it was like 10 degrees off the position of the screws. And look at how far this one is. This is how far it is. This is.
All right, so big shout out going out to George, who worked on the truck. Did pretty much everything. Valve cover, gasket, cats, whatnot. Man, don't forget, man, come show this guy some love, man. Always takes care of me. Thank you as usual. All right, she's all sorted out. No lights on the dashboard. We rocking and rolling, baby.